After watching this video, I believe you're not going to throw any soap away. You will turn this trash into cash. You turn this trash into fabulous soap bars. Guys, you know those soaps that we used to bathe, and some of them will be like really small and you throw them away? Do not throw them away. Have you ever made soap before and it got bad on you? Maybe it's too soft, maybe it became rock solid, maybe your lye was too much and you had this lye heavy soap and you think, oh my god, I wasted all these materials. I've wasted my lye, I've wasted my oils, I've wasted my flavoring. Do not throw them away. I'll teach you how you can rebatch them. As you could see, I had some crumbly soap there. That one was lye heavy and I couldn't use it for nothing. And if you look at the blue one, the one, is it blue or turquoise, whichever color you want to call, green, whatever color you want to call it, I did that soap on my channel and I had off cuts. Yes, I had those off cuts and I want to rebatch them. So what you do is just go ahead, get it into a bowl, use the double boiler method. Make sure you're using a stainless steel bowl or pot to do it, and just place it on the double boiler. As you can see, it's already melting, but as we go further in the video, I'm going to put it into a stainless pot because this bowl was quite small and it was difficult for me to work with. Another thing I didn't show in this video is go ahead and add a little bit of water. If you want this process to be fast and easy, just go ahead and add a little bit of water. As you can see, my soap is dissolving. Another thing is make sure you really cut your soap into tiny bits. Mine was bigger, hence like my soap didn't dissolve well because I was in a haze. So what you can see me adding there is my homemade brown color. I wanted to get this brown color. I didn't want to get the color, like I didn't want that blue color again, so I made my own color. If you like me to show you how to make your own brown color so you can make your brown soap, because it's difficult for you to get brown color in the market, just let me know down in the comment section and I'll do a tutorial of how you can make your own brown color at home. So I just added my color and I'm stirring to try to see if I can make most of it dissolve and mix my color in very well. Now this is a time where you can add anything that you want to add, like you can add your color. If your soap was too soft, maybe you can add a little bit of lye into it. Make sure you do the right measurement. You can add so many things. Any additive that you want to add, you can go ahead and add it now because the heat is quite low, so you can go ahead and add it. And that is what we got. As you can see, there are still some lumps inside, but I just wanted to show you people that you can make something out of your trashy soap that you consider bad. And I'm liking the way the color is. If I had enough color, I would have added more for it to be like really brown because I really wanted the soap to be brown. But anyways, I'm still happy with the outcome. So that's basically it. Just go ahead, put it on a double boiler or you put it on direct heat, but make sure the heat is quite low so that your soap doesn't boil. As you can see, my soap is not boiling, it's just there getting melted. And after that, you can just go ahead and pour it into your mold. I didn't have time to let all the lumps dissolve, so I just went ahead and I poured it into my mold. You leave it for 48, what am I saying? Leave for 28. You can leave it for 24 hours. You can leave for 12 hours. I did get mine after 12 hours because I was impatient and I'm filming a video. I just wanted to film the video and let you all see the results, and I didn't wait for up to 24 hours. But mind you, if you leave this soap to stay for, you can go ahead, cut it and let it set, and you can go ahead and use it. This one you can use it immediately after it sets very well because you've already cooked the soap and all the chemicals have like evaporated and erased. So this is what you call like hot process. So you can just go ahead and start using the soap after you cut your soap. So I put into that plastic container because I knew it was going to come out like freely. And that's our soap, guys. This soap lathers so well and it's so cleansing. With time, it's going to become even harder. As time goes on, it becomes harder. Like I said, I was impatient with this soap. Like I wanted to really film this video. I discovered that my my color did not mix well, but hey, who cares? I'm going to be using this at home. But if you want to rebatch your soap to sell, make sure you grate your soap to the tiniest bits so that it melts very well. Another way I think you can let this soap really dissolve, where if you have alcohol you can add it there for it to like dissolve all the particles. But that notwithstanding, it came out right. I like the outcome, even though some of this thing did not mix well, and I was so much in a haste that my soap had not really set well. Yeah, so my soap did not really set as it was supposed to before cutting it. But hey yo, it came out well. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, tell me where to subscribe. Like the video, please leave me a comment. Like, tell me, are you a soaper? Have you ever made soap before? Would you be trying this? And what other tips do you have for me? That's our soap. Since I'm going to be using it for like home consumption, I just went ahead to get into really big pieces, big and uneven pieces. But if I had to sell this, I would have used a quarter or maybe cut it according to the commercial size. But I'm going to be using it for my home washing of my clothes, plates. Yeah, so I just went ahead to get it the way I did. But you can do better, yeah, and you can be a little bit patient than me. This is just a guideline for you to see that hey, trash can be turned into class. Sorry, I have a cold as usual. I don't know, I like eating ice, I like taking cold things, so I always have a cold. So that's our soap. Please do me where to subscribe. Please leave a comment. Let me grow. Please don't skip my art so that I can make some coins. It's not really easy on the street of YouTube. See, watch my video to the end so that when I make money, I'm going to get like good tools, good soapy materials, so I can teach you people for free how you can make other things. You can make soap, you can make lotions, you can make hair care products like for your natural hair. Just go ahead and watch so that I can make money and buy those things. So that's our soap. And like, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you subscribe. I hope you try making soap. And if there's any other thing that you want me to show you on this channel, just let me know and I'll be glad to do so. That's our soap. It's looking beautiful. I love the color, even though I would have done better, but still I love the color. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Before I go, guys, see, just my hands that I used to touch the soap. I not like I used to create the soap. Look at how that soap is lathering. It's lathering so well with big bubbles. And I use palm oil the first time to make the soap and my foam booster and rebatching it. Look at how it's foaming. You can see that for yourself. I hope to see you on the next video, and I'm signing out. Bye.